Hello everyone, welcome to Cynthia Montana channel. Now I'm gonna talk about CFX price prediction. So before I started, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm not a financial advisor, I'm just gonna give you some prediction using a technical analysis. Now we're gonna start is already having go up. So previous is having a really big volume to go up again, try to push it again, but now having a correction again. But if they still in that point but not go to the purple one here, the purple one here right now is at 0.3749 US dollar, then still having opportunity to go up again to the pink one side here, middle band on the 0.4429 US dollar. For the RSI stochastic also is on the oversold position. I'm using a 1 hour chart first here and using a Bollinger Band to know more the price range from 0.37 until 0.51. For the moving average here is already try to push it to the yellow one, moving average 7 on the 0.4017 US dollar. If they can go up, then it will go up to the moving average 99 on the 0.4248 US dollar. Right? If they go up again, go to the pink one side here, moving average 25 on the 0.4490 US dollar. Next one is we're gonna go to the 4-hour chart. For the 4-hour chart, basically is already having a little bit correction here. Is already below the moving average 7, the yellow one here on the 0.4401 US dollar, and already below also on the moving average 25 on the 0.4222 US dollar. If they go down again, go to the purple one side here, then you can enter the market on the 0.31 until 35, right? Next one is for the Bollinger Band here on the 4-hour chart is already below the pink one side here, middle band on the 0.4536 US dollar. And if they go down again, then it will try to, you can enter on the 0.35 or 36. Right, we're gonna go to the zoom out in there. The daily chart basically is already third days having a correction to close the green bar here, the big green here. Try to go to the pink one side here. The pink one side here is at the middle band on the 0.3275 US dollar. So this is all about it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any question, just let me know. Put your comment below.